क्या आप भी कॉर्पोरेट मजदूरी से परेशान हो और कहीं घूमने जाना चाहते हो और बैंगलोर में रहते हो? You have came to the right spot. Hi everyone, my name is Chandrika and welcome back to my YouTube channel. आज मैं बहुत सही से एक जगह बताने वाली हूँ जो आपको ऑलरेडी पता होगा YouTube के टाइटल देख के। तो मैं उसके सारे डिटेल्स बताऊंगी। मैं अपने फैमिली के साथ कम्युनिटी ट्रिप किया था एंड I'll take you guys along with me. So let's go. It's breakfast time.
We can just introduce ourselves. तो थोड़ा गेट टुगेदर हो जाएगा और पहले ये इंट्रोडक्शन देंगे अपना, ठीक है?
Visiting 3 locations over here. The bus will stay parked here and we'll visit 3 locations by walk. First will be Lepakshi main temple. Temple, there are three things you should see. One is the Shivling. Another is there is a hanging pillar. You would have seen in photos, videos. We will visit that. And then there is a Saptanag ka, there is a small statue. So you can visit all these 3 things. After that, we'll go to Jatayu theme park, which is on the right side.
The Veeravadra temple, also called the Lepakshi temple, is located in Andhra Pradesh. This temple is dedicated to Veeravadra, the fierce form of god Shiva. It was built exactly in 1530 AD by Virupanna Nayaka and Viranna. Both were brothers who were governors under the Vijayanagara kingdom. They belonged to the warrior merchant class of Veerasaiva Vani. The temple consists of only Kannada inscriptions. You will find the carvings of Brahma and Vishnu on the pillars of this temple. Also, you may find the famous hanging pillar in this temple. Legend says that the pillar was inadvertently placed from its original position during the failed attempt of a British engineer. The images on the pillars and walls are of divine beings, saints, guardians, musicians, dancers, and 15 Mahesha Murtams of Shiva. You may also find the hooded serpent with 7 heads shading the lingam sculpture. You may find a lot of monkeys here. Be aware of your belongings because they might snatch it from you. Jatayu is a mythological character from the epic Ramayana. No less than a demigod, it is a form of a large eagle. অবস্থা খারাপ। তুমি আমাকে এখনই যেটা বললে সেটা আবার বলো ক্যামেরার সামনে। বলো বলো।
অল্প বয়সে ঘোরাই ভালো, সব কিছু হাত পা ঠিক থাকতে থাকতে ঘুরে নেওয়াই ভালো। আমাদের মতন এই বয়সে ভারী শরীর হয়ে গেলে খুবই অসুবিধা। মনে ইচ্ছা থাকলে উপায় নেই।
এক্স্যাক্টলি।
Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Shivaya Namah. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Peace within, light inside. Om Namah Shivaya.
Over 15,000 years ago, a being appeared in the upper regions of Himalayas. No one knew who he was, where he came from. The origins of this spectacular being were unknown. When his ecstasy allowed him some movement, he danced wildly. When intensity peaked, he became utterly still. People saw that he was experiencing dimensions that no one had ever known or able to fathom. His ecstasy and intensity allowed him to transcend his physical form. Witnessing an individual human in union with the cosmos, they called him a yogi, as he was the first one, the Adi Yogi. He transmitted the profound science of yoga in its full depth and dimension. He expounded 112 methods of attainment, offering his disciples access to the deepest innards of creation. In this magnificent state of yoga, many mysteries of the created and the uncreated cascaded upon his unbridled wild hair. It was a vision of the very core of the cosmos in all its profundity and magnificence. A vision of the unfathomable mysteries of the universe. A most overwhelming vision the sages and Devi Parvati had ever witnessed. Devi Parvati, seeing Adiyogi reveling in ecstatic states, said, "I want to have what you have. Show me the way." Adiyogi absorbed her and made her a part of himself, and hence he is the Ardhanari, the ideal man, where one half of him is woman. Seeing the splendor of this magnificent union, Anas, his constant companions, asked, "What about us?" Adiyogi said, "Just drink of me," which drove them into intoxicated raptures. Seven sages, the Saptarishis, took the sacred science of yoga in all its forms to human habitations across the planet, which turned into crucibles of civilization. This spectacular being is not of the past, but the future of humanity. to move humanity from hallucinations of ups and downs to nameless ecstasies of one's interiority.
Om Namah Shivaya. Shiva Namah. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.
वीडियो ख़त्म हो चुका है एंड एंड तक रहने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। एक्चुअली मुझे बात करना था इस कम्युनिटी ट्रिप के बारे में। मैंने ये कम्युनिटी ट्रिप बॉस के साथ बुक किया था और ये 1 दिन का कम्युनिटी ट्रिप था। पिकअप एंड ड्रॉप वाज सेम फ्रॉम बैंगलोर एंड दिस इंक्लूडेड पार्किंग लॉट के टिकट्स, एंट्री टिकट्स एंड ब्रेकफास्ट। तो अगर आप भी मेरे जैसे ऐसे कम्युनिटी ट्रिप्स करना चाहते हो, इवन इफ़ यू आर प्लानिंग टू डू इट सोलो, देन डेफिनेटली आप इन लोगों के साथ कम्युनिटी ट्रिप कर सकते हो। कैप्टन्स आर वेरी नाइस एंड बहुत मज़ा आता है टू बी ऑनेस्ट। तो मैं यहाँ पे नंबर दे दूँगी एंड वेबसाइट लिंक भी दे दूँगी जहाँ से आप बुक कर सकते हो। एंड ये वाला लेपाक्षी एंड आदियोगी वाला this trip costed around 1299 per head. So yeah. एंड उसके अलावा भी मुझे और एक चीज़ बताना था। आई हैव गॉटन अ लॉट ऑफ कमेंट्स ऑन माई प्रीवियस वीडियो। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर writing those comments and thank you so much for encouraging me throughout. It's not easy to come in front of the camera and talk. I have to, like, I am building up my confidence to be there and I am doing my part of the mistakes. So spare me and forgive me for that. And I hope आप लोगों को ये वीडियो बहुत अच्छा लगा है। अगर लगा है तो प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड कमेंट ज़रूर करना बिकॉज इट मोटिवेट्स मी टू मेक मोर व्लॉग्स लाइक दिस। ओके, टिल देन मिलते हैं आपके साथ अगले व्लॉग में। टिल देन बाय बाय, लव यू।